Hyperbaric can work like a miracle. Let's talk about hyperbaric for the brain. Now, in a 2023 study, one group of patients had brain injuries, and even with these traumatic brain injuries, nothing was able to help them out. But after 40 sessions of a hyperbaric oxygen therapy, the brain imaging scans shown that all the previous areas that were dormant started working again. In 2017, there was a restorative neurology and neuroscience study that found HBOT can improve cerebral blood flow and also help your brain in critical scenarios that can increase your longevity. Now, more oxygen in the brain means more ATP production, means faster repairing of neurons, faster neuroplasticity, which is your brain's ability to rewire itself. That's why it's also been explored in Alzheimer's and PTSD patients and even age-related cognitive decline. Hyperbaric can work like a miracle. Hyperbaric is becoming the not so secret weapon to most of the sports stars. Think of NFL players, UFC fighters, Olympic athletes. They use it to cut their recovery time in half because HBOT reduces swelling, it accelerates collagen formation for tissue repair, and it enhances the body's natural healing processes. There are multiple other studies, and in 2014, an undersea and hyperbaric medicine study found that the soft tissue injuries that were treated with hyperbaric oxygen therapy healed so much faster than any other thing in the world. Another trial in the military also shows us faster recovery from brain injuries, from headaches, from brain fogs.